Welcome to Vollrath University. I'm Chef Rich, and we're in the Vollrath test kitchen today to learn how to operate your Lidsaver2 claw kit replacement. Replacing the claws on your Lidsaver2 will require the following tools and materials. To replace the claws, start by removing the housing. Using a standard screwdriver, loosen the claw screws and remove the existing right and left side claws from inside the door. Then, using a standard screwdriver, install the replacement claws, positioning the claws with the word left and right facing forward. Make sure both claws pivot freely, loosening the nylon screws 1/8 to 1/4 turn if necessary. Finally, test the dispenser and reinstall the housing. To learn more about this or any other Vollrath product, visit us online at vollrath.com.